All right. It has been, how long has it been? Let's go on YouTube. Oh no, it won't be on YouTube. Let's go on Twitch. How long has it been on Twitch? It has been, who the hell knows? I think it was like 12 days or something. And I tried to stream a couple days ago, but Spectrum is just an amazing internet service that everyone should get. Just kidding, it is a piece of shit. But it's the only service that I have um, business internet for. So I'm kind of shit out of luck there. So didn't stream for a while. One, because I was trying to figure out the Blender stuff and the image stuff. And number two, I had went to a convention for work. And so that was exhausting. So been almost 2 weeks, but I'm back at it again. And the sad part is, let me show my screen. So I had spent a while trying to figure out what I should do about the images. So I'll show you an example of what I've been doing. So, well, I don't really need that. I was trying to, what's this look like? All right, this is a good example. I was trying to figure out what I should do. Number one, about making it look better. So let me, give me this. Do this. So you can see this looks pretty good, right? But this isn't how it's going to look like in-game because I can only keep it on one layer. So when we make it indexed, you can see it doesn't look as good, but I kind of fiddled with the settings and it looks fine. Like it's pretty passable. And I've also fiddled with the colors. Something I'm gonna have to do is I want to go through each um, map that I've created, and I want to remove everything that isn't mine. So this map is good because mostly everything's mine. The Charmander isn't, but he doesn't show up there. And then also this menu isn't mine, so but it doesn't even show up in game anyway. Like if we look here, you can't even tell. It's just blobs. But I was thinking once I'm said and done with all this, that I could maybe sell it or kind of like bundle it all together and have like make a download for it. But I don't want to make a download if it has other people's models. And then that way I don't have to worry about anything. And it helps me get better at Blender since most of this stuff is supposed to be easy anyway. So I ended up deleting the other thing that I made, the other map with the night. Oh no, there it is. So I'm gonna make a new one because most of that's not mine. And then for everything else, that's all mine, so that's good. This is all mine, I think, except for like Pecha Berries, which I may or may not keep anyway. That's all mine. This is like 50-50 of whether it's mine or not, and this is not mine. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. But I'm not even gonna do that. I'm just gonna worry about this map right here, which we can delete. And then maybe, depending on the size, what are these sizes? I wonder if I could check this into GitHub. Because I don't know what the limit is there. I know like some with 50 megabytes and stuff. It doesn't like when you try and check that in, but I wonder if I could check that in. And then I don't have to check that in, I don't think. But I'm probably not going to do that on stream. I'll see. Because I want to check it in just so I don't lose it if my computer breaks or something. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. Oh yeah, so let me see, show you. So I ended up just going with this. And like, I had spent a while trying to mess with the colors, so I'll show you something I created, or something I did when I was still trying to do pixel art, not through Blender, is I was doing my own color palettes. Oops. And I came up with my own color palette, which I think looks pretty good, which is this. Um, but it does that because... Okay, now if I load default palette and then change it, color mode, more options, okay. See, it looks pretty good. And actually what I really like is the green here. I like kind of it using green as the darker colors. And I was like trying to figure out if I could do that. But the thing is, I'm not really good with colors. And it doesn't, it always ended up not looking as good as just doing this. If I just do that, and I don't even really need to do that, it does it for me automatically. And if I just do that, and do this, and then it already looks better. Kind of, in my opinion. So I just ended up not doing anything. So that was kind of 2 days semi-wasted. But what can you do? Something else I did was I had a lot of colors. So even though I changed some of the colors in here, like I think this part was a different color than like the floor, and which was like a different color from this. So I had a bunch of different blacks. So what I did is I went through and made sure I used the same color for everything. So yeah, I also bought an extension for Blender called Alt-Tab Pixel, and funny enough, I am actually using it right now, even though I'm not using most of it, because the problem with this pixel setup, as opposed to my compositing thing, is that it doesn't do well with lighting, because it kind of just uses a white sun to do its lighting, and like you can't have your own lights. So I like, which is really a big problem when I'm doing a neon kind of theme thing where there's a bunch of lights like this red and blue and purple. So yeah, that kind of sucked. Maybe in the future, for like a future game, like maybe I take them to somewhere bright and shiny, like, I don't know, anywhere else pretty much. That's not this. Then I could use this setup and it'd be pretty good, I think. And I wonder if, do I still have it? I probably deleted it. I had like a test, but I ended up deleting it. Yeah, I deleted it. I don't need this. Or this. That's that, that's that. New file, yep. Probably don't even need that. Okay. And for textures, let me just delete this. The neon floor is mine. And the funny thing is with these textures, I don't even need them because they don't even show up half the time. That's mine. This I made using AI, which you can pretty obviously tell, except the text. Um, yep, so that's all mine. What's resources? I deleted everything that wasn't mine except I kept Charmander just because. Add-ons. Oh yeah, and then that's the Alt-Tab Pixel. So yeah, this folder should be a lot smaller. Still a gig. Goddamn. But I wonder if I like Oh no, but that's because I still have. Like, let's look at. See, that's only 2.6 megabytes. I could probably stick that. And then, like, this should be small. 3.7, yeah. This should be ginormous. Yeah, like almost 10 times. This should be pretty damn big. Oh my god, 120. So I'll try. Oh yeah, what's this? This 220, yep. So yeah. So that's that. So now I'm gonna have to redo the nightmare thing that I was doing, which unfortunate, but oh well. And I'm gonna try in the future from now on to be more careful with colors and try and like write it down. Oh yeah, I deleted the test, but I had like a notepad on here that I kind of wanted to use. Um, Let me open. I need the new file. Oh, I need to make a new file actually. Hold on. So I can actually. So I. Oh, something else I changed. Can I like minimize this? I can do that. That's good. Okay, so I also something I like that I did is I made it darker. So before I think I had it at like 0.5 or something, and then when you click F12, it wasn't very dark. But now I made it darker and increased the lights. So now I have it at 0.1. I think it just looks better. So that's nice. So yeah, let's make this. I didn't change anything. I can like hold Control Z. There we go. Let's save this file. Save as new file. So now it's new file. Let's just delete everything. Let's delete ATM. Select objects. Delete. Delete. Oh no, I can do delete hierarchy. Delete hierarchy. Delete hierarchy. Boom. Boom. I'm gonna delete the floor. Then add my own. Just just to we move Charmander GX. And that's good. And then I'll just make this the new file. Okay, so we have our new file. Let's save as maps, and I'm making a separate folder so that way I can have the results, the resulting image, and like what goes into SkyTemple and whatever. So let us make a new folder, call it Nightmare Fuel, Nightmare Fuel, then call it Nightmare Fuel. Save as, good to go. Okay. So now, oh wait, I wanted to, for new files, I wanted to add a little text editor. How do I do that? Window. Where's like Dockers? I guess it doesn't matter. Oh wait, hold on. Let me do. What's this? How do I delete all these? Um. I want to delete all of these. Let's go back to the new file and let's just set this stuff up. And I'll even go here. Just delete this. Fuck it. I want to delete. Let's just keep Charmander. What's this? I think this is his tail. Let's just delete these two. Yeah, screw it. Don't need it. Save. Can I like join these? I thought it was like Control J. Maybe if I go into edit mode. Why am I still in object mode? What? Why am I? I just want to join these two. Guess I'm not allowed to join them. Oh well. Yeah, see, like now I'm in edit mode. Now can I Control J? Join? Nope. Oh well. What's this anyway? Oh, those are his eyes. What if I... Can I not move? What am I even doing this for? I don't need to do this. I want... Add notepad blender. Okay. Thought there was like a Docker for this. What's annotations? I just wanted to... Can I? Area... Horizon... Oh yeah, and then it's text. Yep, there we go. And then I can do like new, and then I could put that stuff there. There we go. Okay, what else did I want to do? And then if I have like a color, I can just go here and then be like this, no, this, and then, oh, this doesn't even have a color. But if it had a color, I could be like, boom, color hex, and then copy, and then just like paste that there, and then voila. But no. Oh yeah, I wanted to delete these. Um, yeah. Did I Google this before? Uh, Haha, can't even save cookies. I like how he's like, after you do the thing you're asking, then you can do something else. Maybe unless he means Control Shift O will like what? That's stupid. What is that? Ooh, an asset browser. Huh. Isn't there like a properties? No, that's what that is. I don't know. I wish I had more room. Although I don't know where I could like put this stuff. I can make this taller. Like that doesn't need that much room, and I can make this a little bit taller, but it's a little oh yeah, look at all that stuff. What the hell? It's like this. I don't know, what's that? Script. Oh well. Worry about it later. Oh yeah, what was this saying? Go to the outline. See, like I see this, and that looks familiar. Outliner. Oh, that's what that is. Go to the outliner. Orphan data. Purge. Ha. Huh. So does that mean haha, and that's just Charmander. Perfect. Um, there we go. Fantastic. All right, so. Oh yeah, and I have like art notes too. And then for the color wheel, I can also do this. I was liking this color wheel. Let me show that off real quick. Yeah. So if I wanted to select color, it could like recommend me colors. So yeah, I may use this just to select colors. So I'll even keep that open. Um, don't really need that. Also, I split these eventually because I was tired of having to like hover over. So that's something else I did. So yeah, this is the new file. So that's good. So I think I'm done. Let's file, save as maps, Nightmare Fuel, Nightmare Fuel. Save. All right. Now, step one, I kind of want to make that tile thing again, except this time I was thinking of just using my own squares. So let's make a plane. How big should I make it? Like that? Would that be good? And then if I was to like scene, new collection, tiles, and then put this there, and then like Shift-D. And Shift-D. And then like Shift-D, Y, Shift-D, Y, and then like let me like do this, this. Can I control J now? Thank you. And then this, and then control J. Perfect. Oh wait. Let me undo that because it's this. Control J. So it's not the middle one. So yeah, I select the middle one and then I select that and there we go. So now I take these two. Well, maybe I should just choose the colors now and then I can duplicate it. So what do I want the colors to be? Because I was thinking an easy way to make it kind of look nightmarish is if I was to use spikes. And that would look kind of... That would be easy, yet kind of get the point across. So, what colors should I use? Something to do with red. I think red is an obvious choice. Um, so like, I need that. So about 80. And then darker, maybe, I don't know, about 80. Just go with that. So what would that look like if I was to make a thing and make it red? It looks okay. And if this became like black, like kind of a, I don't know. But not like completely black. I should probably label these two. Um, call this tile 1 and call this like tile 2. And then this can be like this. Is that good? Should I maybe choose different colors? I was gonna have like spike walls maybe. So it doesn't really make sense to make it tiled. Maybe I can use the dirt. Should I make dirt? I don't remember how to make dirt, though. Let's make dirt. Wait, if I delete these, is it gonna have it again? Where's that? And what if I just need like a box or something. Like there. And then that, and then yeah, I wish I could just delete these, like just delete it. Delete it. Like you can just delete it. No, delete it. I don't want it to be there. I changed my mind. Here. There, now it's gone. 'Cause fuck it. Alright. Delete hierarchy. We are gonna do a dirt path. Because now I'm thinking I want to do something like a um kind of like a war thing with spikes going out, like some spikes that way, some spikes that way. Almost like a barricade sort of deal. So yeah, how do I Blender make a dirt road, I guess. Rough terrain, that's more. Sure, fuck it.
Small businesses are what turn a town into a community. So when it comes to keeping small business...
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a rough terrain mesh fast by using a modifier. Let's create a plane. Tab to go to edit mode, and right-click and S to subdivide it 100 times like this.
Alright, go here. Scale it a little bit more, just to make sure we have enough space. Subdivide it. What was it? Shift. What was it? I thought it was Control.
Let's create a plane. Tab to go to edit mode, and right-click and S.
Oh, just S. What? S. That's scale, though. Right-click. Subdivide, okay. And then 100 times. There we go. Alright, what next, Mr. Guy?
Like this. We can also use grid to create a plane with 100 cuts easily.
Sure. Then we use like a cloud filter or something.
And proportionally moving the selection upward. In edit mode, we could randomly select the vertices and move them upward without using the proportional editing as well. Here is one example. The fastest way of generating a good-looking mountain is by using the landscape add-on. But there are limitations, such as not being able to freely expand the repeated mountain meshes any way we like. I'll show you my favorite method. Let's add the ocean modifier.
Ocean. I remember using a cloud modifier. Add modifier. Isn't there like a cloud? Guess it doesn't matter. Screw it, let's just use his. Whoa. Wait a minute. Is that this plane? Did I really make it huge? Yeah, look at why is it? Oh, there we go. Wait. Huh? Well, let's scale it up. Well, what's my camera look like? Let's scale it up to like there. There. That should be enough space, I think. Oh, well, no. So how much is it going to be? Let's just do the whole camera. Fuck it. There, that's good enough. Because you're only going to be in one spot, so it's not going to cover everything. Alright. So that modifier kind of sucked. Oh, it was... Yeah, for the plane, right? Camera. Yeah, for plane. Ocean. Why does it do that? I don't like that. Um... Let's watch a different tutorial. Make uneven cursor. Displace modifier sounds familiar. Uh, um, oh, I never subdivided it. Whoopsie. That would make sense. Now let's add that modifier. Uh, wait. Huh. Yes. He uses modifiers. Oh yeah, see, it's like... Okay, so it wasn't showing because I had it in edit mode. Well, it's doing like everything. Maybe I should do what he did. So it's a single plane, but we add a modifier, subdivision modifier. What? Hold on, I will be right back. All right. I had my heater on. I wanted to turn it off. It's getting a little hot. Um, what subdivision? Yeah, use a subdivision surface. Why is it doing that though? I thought, like, it only goes to, like, yeah, doesn't do much. Ugh, let's watch another YouTube video. Those are better. Um, Blender uneven ground. Was it this?
Easy Wheels started as my college project, and we now sell our wheel covers all around.
So how do you make a basic displacement sort of ground object in Blender without any pre-made textures? For starters, just make either a new scene, or you can use a scene you already have. It doesn't matter. We're gonna start the new scene and delete this silly joke here, and then add a plane mesh and scale it up if you want to. Or you can go back to
Plane.
it doesn't matter, it's your preference, and then go to edit mode. And if it's not orange, it should always be orange. If you just like make it and go to edit mode, if it's not like this,
Yep,
it should be blue. And
subdivide.
then right click subdivide.
Yep, 100.
Right. And then go down here, click that, and then crank that up to about 10, because that's as high as it goes, and then click off to apply that, and then press the A button to select all one more time, and do it again, crank it up again, all the way to 10, and now you
What?
should have something like this.
Alright.
Then go to object mode, and then click your wrench tab, go to the modifiers, because that's your modifier tab, right, the wrench tab, and then add a displacement modifier, and you'll see it starts to move and stuff, but since we don't have the texture, it'll only go up and down, no matter what you do with this, it's just up and down, and that's it. So to add a little more interesting ground stuff, click the two pills over here, and then click the
Okay, so he does a displacement, and then what did he do?
new button, and that's it. So to
So,
add a little more interesting ground stuff, click the two pills over here.
I don't have those. Oh, do not get rid of that. Do I just do that and then that? Yep, sure.
And then click the new button, and then go right here, and this is where you.
Alright. This looks kinda familiar.
Pre-made noise kind of stuff is.
Oh yeah, and then, yeah, the type. And that's where the clouds was. Right. And then do you go back? So when you go back to your modifiers and then like you have the strength. Let's not mess with that. Ooh, did it really get rid of my... Okay. Texture. There you go, and then clouds. I remember I used.
And usually, if not that I'm an expert and have so many thousands of renders, but I found that clouds works really well for ground. It looks bad at first.
Wait, why is that?
But it's working though. That's nice. But to make it a little less crazy, click the render tab again, and then go change the strength to about 0.1.
Um, but like, why is it not working? Oh, it is working. Why did shit not show up? Like, show up everywhere, please. Thank you. Okay. So let's... So is this good? Yeah, I learned what I needed to. So that's good. Let's just hide that for now. So that's good. What should I call this? Ground. Then I'm gonna go here. Yeah, there we go. So that's good. We're gonna save that. Okay. I wanna get out of edit mode. I wanna lift this a bit. Should I just do that? Yeah, it's fine. I just don't want to see that grid all the time. Let's move him up also. Okay, now... Maybe now is where I should have a sun. Well, let's choose the color first. Oh no, instead of a sun, I can just do this. Because I do not need the... it's world 1. There we go. Although I may make it a little darker, but let's just work with this for now. It's a little too bumpy. Let's go back to this. Like 0.01. What's that? It's too low. 0.05 maybe. That's good. So now maybe... So let's now pick a color. I want brown, but a little reddish brown. Let's just crank up that just so I can see. So it's like a little orangish, but needs to be a little darker. Let's do like 80. How's this? So now let's make a texture. Call it dirt. And then make it this. Alright. It's a little too orangey. I want to make it a little more red. Like, how about this? But a little darker. Like that. Let's see that. Sure. That's good. And now, save that. That's good. That's call it like round. Um, Now let's add spikes. Do that. Leave that there. And then that way I can just bring it up whenever I want. Um, so I was thinking something like, what should I add? Like cylinder? No, like cylinder. Sure. Like that. And then, oh, the radius. Hold on. Well, I can edit mode. Is that good? Is that a little too small? Let's see. Let's make it like the size of his body around. So then, like, this would go uh GZ, something like down, and then this would go Z and then up. And then the top of this would be really tiny. Good enough. And then so now I take that and then I can like rotate it. Oh no, let me rotate it kind of like this. Oh wait, which way is it rotating? Rotate Y, X, yeah, X. Like that, and then so something like that. How does that look? Um, yeah, and then hmm. Let me look at this. Let me just GZ, something like that. Um, There we go. That's sort of what I'm going for. I kind of want it to be bigger. Maybe I should have made this so small. Eh. Yeah, that was a bad idea to make it that small. Ugh. Oh, screw it. I just want. Oh no, I know what I can do. Hold on. Let's rotate this back. Hold on, let's just. What can I. There we go. Alright, move this again. I don't want it to be so tall. So I'm gonna grab the bottom. GZ. G. I think that's good. And then an S. How's that? Okay. Oh wait, what is compositing? Okay, that's 2.5. It's a little small though. I mean, it looks big compared to him. Um, Here, let's just spike. I'm just gonna do this. There, let's just like image, save as. There we go, done. Let's open the test. And then I'll slap this in there and see what it looks like. Do 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 do. What do you look like? Yeah, I think I want to. Oh yeah, you can see the old thing, my old ATM. Cool. Oh, I ended up not using. Okay, never mind. I don't use the plugin at all. This plugin. I thought I did. I ended up not because it had a cool effect where it would outline it, but I forgot I didn't add that part. You have to like set up your project for it. So, turns out it was a waste 10 bucks. Although not really, because I'm sure I might use it at some point. Let me cut this since I'm not using that. Okay. I want to change. I kind of want to make it. I think I want to make it tall instead of. So rotate X. Yeah, I think I want to do like that. Something like that. And I think those just look uglier just because they're pointing at the screen. So actually, let me do the far away ones first. So like those will probably make more sense visually, and then I'll um do the rest of them. Yeah, see, that looks good. Let me move it a bit farther away. Okay, so now I want to give the spikes a color. What's the ground's already kind of dark brown. Maybe I should make it brighter. No. I could like make the neon red. That's a little too... Feels a little too ridiculous though. Um... Hmm. I don't know what I want to... I don't know what I want to do. Um... Well, I just don't know what I want to do with the colors. Hold on, let's just do this part first. Let's just give it... Call it spike. Let's just make it red for now. Just like a little bit brighter red. Just like that, that. 80, maybe like 90. That. There. Spikes. And then move that in there. And then I'll like shifty. Or like that. And then G. Then let's like link these. And then like Shift D. R, Z, G, X, G, Y. Yeah, that looks good. So, like, Charmander will be there, Shinx will be there. Let's add a sun. I also kind of want to make it a little darker since I'm adding a sun. Do worlds, like, let's just do that for now. Shift A, no. Here, Shift A. Light sun. Ooh. It's a little pixely, isn't it? Not that it matters, because it's going to be pixely anyway. And the sun's probably too bright. So sun 0.5, 0.2. Let's make it a bright red. Like, let's try that. Ooh, a little too red. There we go. Well, maybe I don't want it a sun. I wanted a point. Where is it? There it is. Let's make it like... Okay, now I can make it a little more, uh, colorful, saturated. Um, Although I don't want to keep using like red. It looks too red. Because before it kind of just looked black. Well, I can take this and make it darker. Um, there we go. Let's make that darker. More like a darker brown. Give me the hex. Put that in there. Yep, now I can make it darker. Like a 10. Maybe let's make it a different color, like orange, maybe yellowish orange. Let's see how that looks. Still kind of, the light makes everything red. And it's really those spikes. I don't know what other color to make them though. That would seem menacing. I can make them black, but I guess I can make them darker. What color is this? Let's make it darker. Make it like a crimson, but that's kind of what this color is. Maybe let's make this less saturated. Yeah, there we go. Let's make it like 0.8. Now this can be redder. Let's make this a little brighter. Ooh, I don't like how that looks. Let's make... I don't like how pixely it is. Um... Whoa. Maybe I should have used more than 100. What if I used 1,000? There we go. Uh-oh, that's taking a bit. Oh, it doesn't... Kind of still looks velvety, like it's a blanket. Oh no, that's because... Hold on, let's undo what I did. Oh no, that still looked... Let's make it like 5. Oh no, now I have to subdivide and do like 5. Alright. And then we can get rid of the velvetyness by going here. I need roughness. There we go. Um... Let's make these darker. It all looks like the same color. Even though I did this, and like it's not even... Even if I do this, maybe let's turn down the intensity of the sun or the light, and then just turn up the... Well, now I can turn it up. Um, ooh, I like the shadows, kinda. I don't like those lines though. Just maybe raise these both. Okay. Now let's... Maybe I can add another light. Maybe this light, Shift D. Just give me G, Z. Needs to be where they can see it though. Why is it? Then I can make like that blood red or something. No, GY. All right, that's enough red. It's starting to look a little ugly. Uh, Maybe I can make this like black or something, like something closer to black. Um, what if I made it like an emission so it didn't reflect anything? It's just like, oh, I like that actually. That way they're like pitch black. Yeah, I like that. What if I... Yeah. It's like, delete this shit. Give me a cheesy. Yeah, I'm liking that a bit more. Hell, I don't even need this outline. Just because it's kind of ruining everything. Uh, yeah, screw the freestyle, since it's all pitch black anyway. Let's take some of these and like duplicate them. Although I don't even know if the player's going to be able to see these. All right, that's pretty. I'm pretty happy with that. All right. So now we go to image, save as. I don't like that it um uh, kind of shrinks it, but like keeps the outsides. It's a little weird. Open this. Oh, also for OBS, I disabled my notifications, so hopefully that doesn't pop up, and then I gotta go hide them just in case, because that's annoying. Just to have to do, what am I doing? Models. Do maps, nightmare fuel. We're gonna open with this. Oh, you know what's funny? I probably don't even need a sprite. I think you can do everything in. Oh, bitch, I forgot. Hold on. This is why I don't bring Charmander along. Let's just delete hierarchy. There. Now F12. Image, save as, save, done, boom, save. Boom, there we go. Sprite, color mode, more options. Oh man, it like barely even does anything. That's nice. Save it. Yeah, I think if I go to properties, Detail. Yeah, it's still 1920 by 1440. Um, okay. So let's open SkyTemple. First time in a while. Oh wait, actually, hold on, I need to see how big it should be. So actually, nope, nope. This as new layer. Yeah, it's a good size. Okay. So now I need to figure out how big it's gonna be. So first off, so hold on. I want to see how big it is relative to its actual size. Let's just do this. It's about half as big. And then we only use like this part. So even if I were to open this and like copy that, paste it here, and move it. Ooh, there we go. Oh my gosh, so it's only even gonna... Huh. You're not gonna see much of it. Damn, I should move everything closer. All right. It's different when you can like move around in it, then you don't really have to worry about it. But now, since it's only going to be one screen, that's going to be kind of a pain. I could also lower... Let's actually bring it back to like 4. Since it's a simple thing anyway. Yeah, there we go. It'll make the spike smaller, but that's fine. Untitled. Let's just minimize it. Krita, this. New layer. Okay, now you can see some stuff. So the camera will be like right here. Okay, that's good. Okay. So now I just have to figure out like what's a good size. This is 350 by 250 around. So if we go to SkyTemple, we do a little math. Go to the background. What do I have it as? What's the back? Oh, I use Z-test. That I should not do. I should use a new background. What should I call it? I can just call it NMF. Screw it. That's what we're gonna do. New background. Nightmare fuel. Okay, that's something. Okay. Sure, what? Well, bitch, do I need like two SkyTemple versions to... Maybe I should have like a 1.4.6 version and this version. Map background. Did not save. Okay, let's do a new map background. I don't know, it's Z Nightmare? Well, bitch. Alright, we are going to... What's this? Settings. This is 33 by 24. I'm just going to use Z-test for now. And then if I have time, I'm going to try and download a new version of SkyTemple. Have like two versions. 33 times 8, 264. So let's go here and just wing it. 264. Nope. How about... Sure by... Oh, fuck. What was the height? Well, I can just copy. Hold on. 824 times... Not 190. Oh, no shit. Wait, hold on. It is 192. Right? Ah. Two less. Hold on. Just go 2 pixels and just... There we go. And then trim to selection, control save. Yes. Oh, but don't do that. Control save, yes. Man, that really is small because that's the screen. That's the... Huh. Oh well. Alrighty. map, import, converter, no dithering, desktop, models, maps, nightmare fuel, untitled, convert, desktop, models, do, call it out. Width is divisible by 8, it is 192. Wait, why is it still 194? Hello? Just let me... shit. Okay, fine. Greta. Did I like mess up or something? There, now image, trim to selection, there we go. Image properties. Why is it still 190? I was doing the width, not the height, because I am a genius. Son of a bitch. To do. Stop. Boom. What was it? 264 by 192. We're going to file save as, create a document, call this input, and then save as, or export as input, and then just call it, and that's the PNG. Save, call it a day. Go here, map, import, converter, input, convert, call it output. Fantastic. Now go to models, maps, output. Okay. Why? What do you... Oh. Oh wait, yeah, settings. This only has one layer. Yeah, there we go. It worked. Thank fuck. It all looks normal. So we save it. Go to here. I think I have a test already to go. Save this, close it. There we go. Oh my god, we finally got a map in SkyTemple. Only took like 7 years. Hopefully now that we've figured it out, it'll be a lot easier and it won't take 2 hours. God damn. Alright. Can I create a new map now? Is that something I can do? Map backgrounds, new background. What if I like add a P? Nope, it just does not like it. Alright, well, that's probably a problem with SkyTemple. Let's download SkyTemple. I'm gonna hide my screen because I'm gonna try and maybe do something with my firewall. Or I'm at least gonna Google it and see what it suggests. So enjoy that. Um, Windows security. What do you mean? No. Hmm. So I was wondering, because they kept saying that firewall was messing up the download. I don't think it's. I mean, maybe. I wish there was like a right click get through firewall option for like a download. Alright, sure. We're gonna call something SkyTemple 2. SkyTemple 2. We are going to go to the website. Download latest version. Okay, we are going to turn it. Oh. Alright, we are going to just do this quick. Download it. Alright. Install it. Yes. Next. I agree. Install. You are going to go to desktop. SkyTemple 2. Okay. Sure. Install. Finish. Alright, back on you go. There you go. Let's see if it really was my firewall. Or if this is some bullshit. I can turn my screen back on. Alright, moment of truth. Sure, allow error reports. Boom. Let's go do that. Let's go to a random file. Nope, I still get the bug. Fuck me. Well, not my firewall. Unless if I fuck something up. Let me see. Um, well, this is different. Okay, we're gonna try this one more time. We're just going to boom. We're just gonna delete this whole file. Download. Off. Alright, it's complaining for good reason. Download. Open. Yes. Next, I agree. Install. Browse. New. Okay. Install. Finish. All right. Done. Done. On. Okay. There we go. You're happy. Do that. I called it SK2 just to hurry up. Where is it? Oh no, where'd it go? I don't think I put it on my desktop. Is it in my... Well, fuck. Where did I put it? Oh, it's in program files. See program files. See program files. Let's just keep it there just to make sure. SkyTemple. Alright, second moment of truth. If it doesn't work now, it's not my firewall and we have no idea why it's doing this bullshit. Let's pick a random. Nope. Well, no. Fuck me. Ain't that just a bitch? Just use this to get the map background. Others, just new map background. Great background. Woohoo. Just. What was the width and height? 33 by like 27. Oh, yeah, good. Map, import, layer, output. Okay. Width is 216. Isn't 33? What is it? 30? What's 216 divided by 8? 27. This isn't right, but let's just see what it says. You are indeed correct. With... Yeah, it's 216. Oh, is it not? Hold on. Uh, do models, maps. It is 264. Map. So it's 33 by 192 divided by 8, 24. There we go. Import output. There we go. Save. Go to and maybe next time I program I'll just use this because I don't really care about it showing in the top left. I care about it crashing my thing. So maybe it's done crashing. Who knows? Well, I'm willing to try. I don't need this. Let's just... Oh yeah, because it worked. It's just I need to go in. This. You now use Nightmare Fuel. There we go. Save. You're probably good. Let's go back here to my, what was it? Program files. All right. All right, next time, if I remember, I'm gonna move this like to right here and be like, hey, use this instead. I'll even like new folder, like stick that in there just so I have to like wonder like what the hell's going on, but I'll probably remember. But yeah, next time I'll actually go back to programming and yeah, do the rest of the scenes. There's quite a few scenes that I still have left to do. And then we can go to the neon place and do that stuff. So, yep. See you next time.